Learn English with Sheik Babji. So, in this session, we are going to learn the 37th structure. The 37th structure is I am having a hard time. After I am having a hard time, we have to use V1 plus ing form. What is the structure? I am having a hard time. After I am having a hard time, we have to use V1 plus ing form. So, in this structure, let's see how we can use this structure. The usage of this structure is this. This structure is used to express that you are experiencing difficulty or struggling with an ongoing action or activity. What is the structure? I am having a hard time. After I am having a hard time, we have to use V1 plus ing form. Okay, this structure is used to express that you are experiencing difficulty. Means you are facing some difficulty or you are facing some struggle. What? With an ongoing action or an activity. Now let's see how we can use this structure in our own sentences. The first one is I am having a hard time. I am having a hard time focusing right now. I am having a hard time focusing right now. And next one, I am having hard time understanding the concept. Next one, I am having a hard time adjusting to the new schedule. I am having a hard time adapting to the changes. I am having a hard time deciding what to do. I am having a hard time deciding to what to do. And next one, I am having a hard time finding a kiss. I am having a hard time believing you. Next, I am having a hard time keeping up with this class. Next, I am having a hard time finishing the project in time. Finishing the project in time. I am having a hard time sleeping lately. I am having a hard time sleeping lately. Okay, now what is the structure? The structure is I am having a hard time. Here, difficult time, which means you are facing some difficult time. Okay, so what is that? I am having a hard time means you are having some difficulty. What? Focusing right now. Means to focus right now. I am having a hard time. What? Understanding a concept. I am having a hard time. What? Adjusting to the new schedule. I am having a hard time. What? Adapting to the new changes. adapting to the changes. I am having a hard time what deciding to what to do. Here you can notice after I am having a hard time we are using inform. We are adding inform to the verb. Okay. I am having a hard time what finding her keys. I am having a hard time what believing you. I am having a hard time what keeping up with this class. Next, I am having a hard time what finishing the project in time. I am having a hard time what sleeping lately. So this is all about this I am having a hard time. This is 37th structure in this course. We are learning 37th structure in this course. Okay. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment to this video. Thank you.